Collision mitigation system limitations. When any vehicle moves greater than plus or minus 20 degree to host vehicle direction. If any vehicle moves at heading angle greater than plus or minus 20 degree to the host vehicle, system may not consider it. Driver must be alert and take control. When it is difficult to obtain view by the camera. Due to poor visibility by camera like sunlight or any other source of light on camera, system may not function as intended. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. When the tail light of the front preceding vehicle is asymmetrical at night. At night, if the preceding vehicle's tail lamps are not in symmetry or mounting positions are unusual, system may not function as intended. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. Pedestrian suddenly jumping into the host vehicle lane too closer to host vehicle. System may not consider if a pedestrian suddenly jumps into the lane or area very closer to host vehicle. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. If a part of the body of the pedestrian is a covered or standing pedestrian. In the case of pedestrians whose body part is covered by umbrellas, bags, special clothes, etc., detection may not be accurate and system may not function as intended. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Difficult to distinguish pedestrians due to low illumination. If the illumination is low or poor visibility, system may not function as intended. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Fast-moving pedestrians. System may not function as intended with fast-moving pedestrians due to sensing limitations. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Pedestrians with lower height. System may not function as intended with pedestrians with lower height. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Risk of collision in proximity cut-in. As there is a close sensing blind spot in the system, there is a risk of collision at close cut-in of adjacent lane vehicles. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Intersection situation. The control target of the radar is selected as the control target only for the rear surface of the vehicle driving in the AEB vehicle driving direction. Therefore, there is a risk of collision for vehicles moving at right angles to the direction of intersection. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. The target is not detected at the road inclination change point. Due to the vertical angle limit of the FRM, it is impossible to detect the front target in uphill and downhill. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. The situation where the load is protruding from the rear of the vehicle. When a specific type of load is loaded or a special vehicle carrying load, there is a risk of collision. Due to the sensor detection limit, driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. When target cannot be detected due to sensor blockage. In case of sensor blockage can occur, and risk of collision of the front preceding vehicle and pedestrians is possible. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. When driving on a large curved road. When driving on a large curved road, due to the sensor limit, the front preceding vehicle and the pedestrian can collide. Poor visibility to obtain the driver's field of vision. If the driver uses the AEB in the unconfined, the sensor limit may cause a collision. between the vehicle and pedestrians ahead, driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Detection problems due to complicated structures around roads. If a construction section, railroad track, or other metallic object is on the road, AEB or FCW will not work, driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Collision mitigation system does not react for potholes. Collision mitigation system does not function for potholes, driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Collision mitigation system does not function for speed breakers. Collision mitigation system does not function for speed breakers. Driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Collision mitigation system does not function for barricades. Collision mitigation system
does not function for barricades. Mitigation system does not function for barricades.
Collision mitigation system does not function for oncoming vehicles. Collision mitigation system does not function for oncoming vehicles, driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Collision mitigation system does not function for animals. Collision mitigation system does not function for animals, driver must be alert and take control of vehicle. Collision mitigation system limitations.